Hello friends, this is Sunandh Subhramaniam here, commodity fundamental analyst from Choice Equity Broking Private Limited, and today I'll be majorly covering on three agriculture commodities from the spices complex. The first commodity that I would like to touch upon is on jeera, and jeera prices have mainly traded sideways to bullish in the past couple of weeks due to lackluster demand in the domestic markets and situation of long liquidation in the futures market. Looking ahead, we expect that the NCTX Jeera futures to remain bearish as export consignments to China has been kept on hold by the domestic traders due to the border disputes between India and China. In case of Syria, the production of Jeera has been reported to be lower by 25 to 30% from last year. However, the export demand from the European countries has not shown any major improvement either from India or from Syria during the current period. In the case of Turkey, the sowing has already begun, but so far there has been no reports of any delay happening in the same places. The only factor that can limit major downtrend in NCTX Jeera futures is in case of extreme decline in supplies in Unja market. This can happen in case of spike in COVID-19 cases in Gujarat, and farmers are expected to further reduce the supplies in the domestic markets. Overall, we expect a bearish trend in NCTX Jeera futures, and we recommend selling in NCTX Jeera August futures around 13,800 levels for the downside target of 13,000 and a stop loss above 14,200 levels. The second commodity that I would like to touch upon is on coriander seed, and NCTX coriander seed futures has traded sideways to bullish in the past couple of weeks due to increased demand in the domestic markets. Looking ahead for the next week, we expect that the NCTX coriander seed futures to remain bullish as there is active buying reports in the major mandis of Kota, Ramganj and Rajkot regions at around rupees 60 to 62 rupees per kg, as traders are hoping for recovery in export demand in the international markets. Moreover, traders are also expecting that the stocks by the end of the season, that is in the month of September, to be lower compared to the previous year, which could also keep the prices supported in the near future. Overall, we expect that the NCTX coriander seed futures to remain bullish, and we can expect that the prices to move up to 6,400 levels in the week ahead. Lastly, I would like to talk about on turmeric, and NCTX turmeric futures has majorly traded sideways to bearish in the past couple of days with a steep fall in prices witnessed yesterday, as there has been reports of higher sowing reports in Telangana, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu and northern parts of Karnataka. Looking ahead, we can expect that the NCTX turmeric futures to remain bearish as there has been reports of favorable weather conditions and higher monsoon reports in the southern peninsula. This is expected to improve the yield of the standing crops in the earlier mentioned states and eventually improve the forecast of higher production in the coming months. Moreover, the demand is currently at the lower zone in southern India as there has been another lockdown phase in the southern states due to rise in COVID-19 cases, which has added worries in the various states. Overall, we expect a bearish trend in NCTX turmeric August futures, and we expect that the prices to come down to rupees 5,400 levels in the week ahead. Thank you, and I wish you all a very happy trading week.